I can't eat though because I'm allergic.
Okay.
No, that's not enough. 30. Maybe I'll just have one, but I'm allergic to almonds.
No, you're allergic. Don't eat it. Don't blame me.
One is okay, right?
No.
I mean,
It depends on how strong it is.
because I ate jackfruit in Vietnam and I just licked the jackfruit and then I had a terrible allergic reaction.
No, don't do it. No, Nina, don't do it. Don't do it.
One. I'll just eat one.
No, what the? Hey everybody, it's me, Kyle, and Nina is here, Dewey is here, we are in Copenhagen. I think the camera is smudgy, but forgive me for that. Ooh, we have the sun, yeah. Right, Nina?
Yes.
Right.
I know.
Really appreciate the sun. You know.
That's why in Vietnam, when you cover up, I'm like, come here. The sun.
The sun. No, you do appreciate the sun being on you, yeah. Absolutely, the sun. So that's the best thing about Denmark, guys. The sun.
Actually, yes.
And maybe the Vietnamese food. Cut to that clip right now. So this is the first time I'm actually having pho in Denmark, by the way.
But this tastes better in the cold
Absolutely.
than in
Look at the steam.
streets of Vietnam.
Oh yeah. It's southern, alright. Look what it has.
Yeah.
Inside.
Oh, and vegetables.
Yeah.
And vegetables.
Yeah.
Is that no? Is that basil?
This is Thai basil.
Thai basil. Yeah, no. Let's just
What?
say
This is
let's just say it's Vietnamese basil.
Where?
Yeah, way, yeah.
Hung quế.
Oh, hung quế. This is ngò gai.
Oh god, yeah. Salt, coriander. Yeah, just eat, just eat.
Yeah, your food is gonna get.
Yeah, just eat. Don't wait for me.
This is why if you ever wonder why we don't talk, it's because it picks up our voices. When we talk. So we just have to
So
keep
guys,
silent.
the reason why I was excited about the pho here is that in Europe you never know if it's northern pho or southern pho, and of course we're all southerners here at this table. That's why we chose Pho Saigon. And positive notions, there's bean sprouts, there's certain vegetables. That's what I'm excited about. Just dump it all in there. How is it? Is it southern?
So now.
Yeah, it's southern.
It's southern. Yes, we found it.
Oh wow. Yes.
Is it good?
Better
Is
than
it good?
us.
It's good? Yeah. I'm
This is
happy.
better in Berlin. Way better.
I don't think it's better than Cali, but
Oh, you've never had it. You never had it in Cali.
but the way you talk about it.
Yeah. Hashtag Nina to SoCal.
But honestly, when we're here in Europe, I'm just happy to be anywhere in California
Are you not gonna
for some
put this?
Asian food.
Hey, can I have it? Do you guys dip it like this?
Yeah, you could. The meatballs. But this to me is already, it's very well.
I can eat
well,
it without it.
It's good. Yeah, it's good enough. It's good. Very flavorful, southern style.
This is normal to me.
Yeah.
This is how it's supposed to taste like. Oh man.
Well, that was a good Vietnamese dish, right? Now at least we know we can get decent Vietnamese southern pho in Denmark. Now we know. So what's next on the agenda for today?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, so we'll just. I mean, earlier today we had a pre-meet, right?
Yes.
Lenka was there.
Blanca, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
On the internet, right? Many sites say that Denmark is like the best place to live. Do you think so? Because you're originally from Slovakia.
Yes, okay, so it's because you can live well here. You earn good money and you can live quality life. Me coming from Central Europe, the money you earn, I never really worked there, but the money you earn, you survive. However, here, the money you earn, you can enjoy the life. You know? So from that point of view, yes. But also so many benefits, right? Like life benefits here are awesome. If you have children, it's the best place for them to be here. And also free education and healthcare is amazing. Sometimes on the emergency room, they can be tough. I have my stories. But it's a really nice place. The bad side, I think, is the weather. Because it's very cold, right?
Well, it's similar to Slovakia.
No. Slovakia has a very hot summer and very cold winter. But here it's very windy and dark. I don't mind the rain. I like rain, but the darkness the mood.
Yeah.
Like it took me a while.
Right.
Now I'm here 7 years, so I got used to it. So I'm like, yeah, dark.
Yeah, but
Light
do
up
you-
a
do
candle.
you hygge? Do you hygge?
Yeah,
You hygge too.
yeah.
Like what? Give me an example of your hygge.
I light up the candles.
Yeah.
And I take the blanket and I take the book. Yeah.
Okay. Nina approved. Okay, so.
And you see this big scarf
Yeah,
and stuff.
hygge. Right.
It's
Hygge.
hygge.
Okay, gotcha. What is it? Matcha?
Nitrogen coffee.
Nitrogen coffee? What is that?
Why didn't you get that?
So you
I
have
don't
a
know what
hot
that
coffee and then they pour nitrogen in it so they will quickly freeze it down.
Oh.
I didn't know that's what I was getting.
I didn't know that existed.
Why would you get something
It's still moving.
It's acidic at first,
Well,
and then it calms down. Oh, you have to taste more of that. You only taste the foam.
my-
Yeah, it's
Sour.
sour at first, and then it like calms down.
No, I like it. I like it.
Yeah,
What
that's
can you
sour.
expect from
You
someone
like
who
this-
ordered hot chocolate with
this-
a whipped cream
Oh
on?
my gosh. Do you not drink coffee?
we'll try
No,
not
we
to.
get too hyper. We can't drink coffee.
What is this area?
Ni hao.
What's so special about it?
It's just a harbor. Nothing.
Why are the houses so colorful?
I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I'm the worst tour guide.
We know nothing. And she's real Danish.
I'm not from here. I'm not from
And I just see this on Google. That's why I'm here.
here. Touristy as you guys.
Yeah, Nina's a tourist as well, yeah?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, well,
Let's go.
that was Copenhagen. No, you know what? No, that's not Copenhagen.
not it.
This is Copenhagen. So this is our Airbnb, and this is a
my bed,
preview.
y'all. This is my fireplace right here.
So this is a apartment in Copenhagen. Just to give you guys an idea, what's up? This is the fireplace right here.
Yeah, I don't know how it works.
Wow,
'cause I'm
that would be
worried-
awesome for hygge right there, right?
It would.
It would be awesome. You can roast
I
marshmallows
wanted
in there.
to turn it on, but then we're too near away and I didn't want to.
Yeah, we don't really know how to do that. Yeah. Wow, look at this low bed.
It's like the theme is black and white
Yeah.
with like natural wood.
Right, very minimalistic, in that
Minimalistic.
sense, right?
Yeah.
Somebody's closet that in. Look
And
at
then
this.
this is
Like
the
a-
walk-in closet slash office.
Wow,
Yeah, she has big feet.
wow, that is just beautiful. Wow, that could be another room actually. That could easily fit another room.
Yeah, it could.
Yeah, that's
That
actually
could
it.
be like the baby room.
Or a fish room. Fish room, yeah.
Or- yeah.
A fish room. The living room area is right here. And notice, guys, this is not a TV. This is a stereo system.
Obviously, they don't have time to watch TV.
Yeah, right. In order to be able to afford this, they
They work.
have to be working 24/7, round the clock. Perhaps this is a very popular Danish company called Bang and Olufsen.
Close
And
enough.
yeah, and they are very popular and very high quality. I think.
Yeah.
Typical detour walnuts.
These aren't for eating. This is just for decoration.
I mean, yes. What style? And these plants are real.
Yes. This one, every Danish household has this plant.
Really.
Every.
Right, and
Even
every
mine.
and every Danish household has this monkey as well.
Yes,
This-
Kai Boysen.
Yeah, this is the trend right here.
That's
right
the
now.
trend.
Wow.
This is like taken out of a magazine.
Right. This is a very iconic cookie cutter
Yes.
Danish little cozy apartment.
Yeah.
Wow, that lamp is pretty incredible as well. I think it came from IKEA.
It didn't. Definitely nothing here's from IKEA.
You don't think so?
No, there's no way. There's no way.
I
No.
could have sworn that came from IKEA.
No.
Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen. Obviously here, wow, look at this. Very wide and spacious. This is probably the most spacious apartment I've ever been to in, like, Europe, like this, to
is
be
big,
honest.
No, but this is big for Copenhagen.
It is.
For
It's,
being like in the center.
right.
This
it's
is
incredible.
you know you're Danish if you have this.
Salt?
No, from Nicolas Vehe. It's a very famous brand,
Yeah.
and people mostly
Wow.
just buy it
Look at
for the.
It looks
The looks,
beautiful,
yeah.
Look at this
Looks-
black and white theme. Yeah, look at this. But so tea maker and hand warmer on a
Yeah.
cold hygge day. But look at this decor. Look at this refrigerator. Right, it's meant to look like it's old school. Freezer in the bottom, of course, and just look at this, like so. I don't know, just so modern-esque, right? And I love this. I love this vibe of, like having a mixer, for example, and you also have a downstairs basement as well. I don't want to
Yes.
go down there anymore, but that just kind of gives you an idea. There's a couch. There's a really big TV down
You
there.
really have to be careful because there are a number of times where I was just walking and then, ooh, there's a hole.
Yeah. I mean, you have to be very careful. And you see, here's the thing. Here's the one benefit, of staying at an Airbnb like this is you get to preview not only a future life for yourself, assuming that you don't have one like me. It's a great example of what life could be like. Or if you already have a life, you can imagine a parallel universe where you actually live in Denmark like this. So for me, not only is it a preview, but it's also a fantasy dreamlike state where maybe I am the owner of this incredible flat here in the heart of Copenhagen. It is absolutely beautiful. That's it, guys. The Danish Copenhagen apartment experience. That was it. Very Danish. Very Danish. Very Scandinavian.
Super Danish.
Very, very Scandinavian. Beautiful though. I don't know. I'd like to. I don't know. How can I afford this one day? By the way, how much do you think this costs a month? By the way, just by rental.
By rental?
Yeah.
Maybe $3,000.
$3,000. I mean, that's a lot, but you know, it's not like an outrageous amount for the area and for the space, right? But
yeah.
that is pretty expensive.
Yeah, but it's very modern. Like
Yeah.
everything here is modern.
Right.
Kitchen is new.
Right.
Bathroom is new.
Yeah. But to own something like this, it'd probably be like $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More.
Probably like more than $1
Probably
million.
more.
Yeah.
Probably more.
All right. Well, let's head out. What? What?
No, I'm just telling you. This is how we always lose you
Yeah.
when we travel.
Yeah.
Like you just stop somewhere and start walking,
Yeah.
and we just keep walking.
Yeah, I know. I know. It's tough. It's tough. Especially in Vietnam, where it's
Vietnam,
easy
we
to
always-
lose me.
yeah.
So we're just walking by and we notice, look, a Vietnamese name. Kim Hoàng Lê, Vietnamese photographer, and his work is displayed all over the walls here in Copenhagen.
Yep.
Yeah, catch you soon.
Bye.
All right. Well,
Right.
Copenhagen.